three up. Oh.
Yeah, well, this part is soft.
Yeah, we need to take
I
it out.
don't know how you eat that.
Yeah, this one is
The
soft.
way you eat it.
It's like a tongue. This part soft like a tongue. Look, it's like a tongue. So has some. Mm. 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 So good.
So good. Oh my god. Well, let's try.
Yeah, say thank you, baby.
Thank you, baby.
Yep, I'm not cancel your order.
All right. You think I want to go? Mm.
Mm.
It's pretty much flavor garlic.
Mm. Good seafood sauce. Mm.
Oh, I should got more.
I will. 1 minute. Look at it. Oh, it's so good. Mm. Oh my god. Garlic and butter. ซอสเนยสองซ้ำThat's so good. You do good job. So good. This good too. Oh my god. And here more. Gonna eat everything. กินให้หมดเลย Spoon. Mm-hmm.
The shell is, I've never seen anything like it. Because we never ate it.
This is much more than go to Alaska. They always frozen.
Yeah, Alaska.
Yeah, even I went to Alaska, it's frozen though. All right. You can eat everything here. I cut and put out here. And then look. This is soft. I don't know. We can eat this. ไม่รู้กินได้ไหมเนาะมันคืออะไร like a tongue.
What is that?
มันจะลิ้นเลยอะ
Right? It's cut up. There's meat inside.
You see. You eat it. Okay, but in the middle, we eat later, no? We eat everything first. Next one. I know. Gonna do with garlic butter. Garlic. Hi everybody.
Hi everybody.
Gonna eat the crab. What do you feel? Spiky? Spiky here.
Oh my gosh, don't say spiky. Don't
Your
touch.
eye.
Oh my gosh, where's the eye?
Eye. And they
Where's
have
the
the
eye?
tiny eye. Eye.
These are the eye.
Yeah. Okay, ready?
Luckily, the eye is so skinny because I got to cut me.
Oh, I think I never opened before, so I try my best, alright? Okay. Don't worry. Sit down. You sit down. Sit down. Alright, like that. Sit close to mommy. Okay.
Cool. What did you cut?
No, my first time too.
Oh.
1, 2, 3. Whoa. Alright.
We're not eating that.
I will.
Let me this one.
This one? Okay, they have
No,
some
Terrell's-
egg. Sky, what do you say? It's yummy. Oh,
Mommy, it
Yeah,
looks
have some-
oily.
I know, right?
Oh,
I could put some rice in here. This is the egg. Okay.
okay.
Okay, I put some spicy sauce.
Can I see?
Spicy sauce. Some rice.
Oh, we got more right.
Yes.
Let's get rid of whisk.
Right. Cook like that.
Let's get rid of whisk.
And just eat it.
Oh, Robbie.
Yummy.
Let me get a try.
What is that red thing? What's that red thing that you just eat?
It's a crab stuff.
But I know what they call.
I don't know either.
Mm.
Not bad, right? But they don't have much egg though. It's alright.